This is my home, and despite being surrounded by a fast-paced and chaotic world, I live a tranquil, peaceful life. A narrow channel, an oasis. To my left, the busy world. To my right, the busy world. I watch the cars and vans and lorries and the trains. People going about their daily process of 9 to 5, backwards and forwards, delivering or going to work. They're all on a schedule, a plan to be somewhere at some time. But here I am, in the centre, in this oasis. Tranquility and peace. With no plans, no time schedule, just living in the moment. Listening to the birds, watching the trees gently sway in nature's breath. I'm at a place called Poynton, and one thing I love about Poynton is there's a shop up here. Well, it's a chandlery. It's for boaters where they can buy all bits and pieces, and he makes cups of coffee and sells cakes. And I'm going to tip my cup because Andy, who owns the place, always gives me a lovely free cup of coffee. He always treats me. That's because I give him a plug as well, I suppose. So let's go and see him. Let's go meet Andy. I can see he's very busy at the moment. All the number 2s are being removed and etc. But when he's finished, we'll go and get a nice cup of coffee off him. And I need some eggs as well. Right, he's finished the work now. Now we can see if we can get a nice cup of coffee and get them eggs.
Ah, young David, how are we, sir?
This is Andy.
What can I get for you, Dave? Cappuccino, latte?
Cappuccino's great, thanks Andy. Cheers. What a nice chap.
Problem, matey.
See you again soon.
Take care. See you
All right,
later,
bye. Have a good day. It's that time of year again, spring. This is the magnificent dawn chorus that many of us miss because we're still in bed, fast asleep. If you want to hear the orchestral sound of birds, the dawn chorus, you've got to be up real early. And if you do get up early, you'll hear them warming up, slowly getting louder and louder. And then for the best part of the dawn chorus, the peak of it, that is around half an hour before the sun rises and just after the sun rises. That's the best time. And it is like going to the theatre and listening to an orchestra. First they warm up and then they put on a magnificent performance. There's so many different bird songs out there. You could even hear the woodpecker somewhere in the woodland just over there. Here I am on the balcony listening to a great performance, and I didn't have to pay for a ticket. Beautiful. Under blue skies with plenty of sunshine, my floating garden is looking very colourful and pretty. And it's also ready to provide food for nature. Lots of pollen for the smallest of them creatures, insects, butterflies and bees. Living on a narrowboat and roaming the canal through nature's garden inspires me in so many ways. With my therapeutic guitar, I create my own comforting tunes. Here I am in the space of now, where stillness speaks, all is down. Between these notes that I play and sing, connects me to everything. Flowing streams, sunset beams and dreams, I'm bathing in the garden of Eden. Dancing trees in the summer breeze, I'm bathing in the garden of Eden. Flowing streams, sunset beams and dreams, I'm bathing in the garden of Eden. Dancing trees in the summer breeze, I'm bathing in the garden of Eden. Bathing in the garden of Eden. Lovely. What the world needs right now is love, sweet love. If you've enjoyed my video, please do subscribe. It's a great way to support me. And also click the like button and leave a comment. I'll read your comments and I'll try and reply to as many as I can. You'll also find me on Facebook, Instagram and Patreon, where you get early viewing of all my episodes and extra content. Again, thank you for joining me. I look forward to seeing you back on board Inspired by Nature, my floating home, very soon. Cheers, Andy.
Cheers.
Here's to canal cruising and a successful business selling fuel. Can I have a coffee, Andy?
I'll do your coffee, sir.
Can I have it in this cup?
No.
Oh, come on, you got to give me a cup.
No, we don't. This is the kind of service we provide here at
Look.
Bailey's Trading Post. Oh no.
You've got to help your fellow boaters, haven't you?
Yeah.
It looks like we're a married couple with a child, doesn't it?
This is the rumour.